how to fix error saving contact delete problem on Android. So if you want to fix error saving contact delete problem on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your contacts application on your Play Store. So search for Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then under Play Store you need to search for contacts. After searching for contacts, if you have any updates on your contacts, you need to just go and update it. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you want to open up your settings application. Just go back and then open up your settings. And under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find the apps section, which is right here. Tap on apps. And under apps, you need to go with manage apps and then go with search. And under search, you need to search for contacts. Once you find it, tap on the contacts option, and under contacts, you will find an option of clear data, which will be on the bottom. Tap on clear data and then go with clear cache and tap on OK. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go and enable some permissions if you've not enabled. Go with app permissions and then enable all of the permissions. Go with allow. And after allowing the permissions, go and restart your device. And that's it. It will fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.